It's IBC 2024. We're in Hall 5 and we're on the MwareTV booth, and I'm joined by Cees. Hi Cees, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, very well, Cees. Now, we've
Welcome.
done a video explaining what MwareTV does and who it's intended for.
Yeah.
And you gave us a little bit of a teaser on some exciting news you've got. Tell us more.
True. We launched our new app builder. And the app builder, maybe a little bit of background first. If you want to launch a TV service, you need apps published on all kind of TV platforms, on mobile, on tablets, on smart TVs, on all kind of media players like Fire TV sticks, etc. And developing apps for all those different devices is a hard job.
Of course.
A tough job. You need developers for all of them. You have to design, you have to debug, you have to test. So that's a very time-consuming and quite often expensive exercise, which a lot of companies don't have the resources and the knowledge to do that themselves.
Okay.
Of course, they can hire companies that are also here on the show to do their job, but again, it's time and money that you have to bring to the table. We have cracked that issue by developing a so-called no-code app builder, which is, as we used it in the old days to say, a kind of WYSIWYG environment. What you see is what you get, where with a drag and drop mechanism, you can structure, configure and brand the whole app on your PC, which results in a design which you can test online on your PC, and it immediately takes care of all the coding behind the scene for all the different platforms. So we take care of the touch on mobile and tablet. We take care of the focus engine you normally need when you work with a remote control. And that's all handled and managed by this piece of software. So instead of having a lot of developers taking care of that, suddenly more designer-oriented people can, let's say, design and configure apps and get them published in the app stores.
Amazing.
And that saves a lot of money because we made that module as an integrated part of our platform. So they basically get it for free, just to help them to speed up the time to market without huge investments and a long turnaround cycle.
Yeah, I was about to ask you then, is this a standalone product or is it part of your platform? And as you said, it's part of the actual MwareTV platform.
Yeah, we got quite a lot of requests now on the show for as a separate product. But imagine, thinking from consumer perspective, if you download an app, you first have to log in. So on the background, you have to, you need access to a subscriber management to check if you have a valid subscription. So that needs to be integrated. If you have a valid subscription, then I have to load your content. That is part of your package. And then you need integration with a CMS. And the next step is you need integration with a streaming platform. And then something in the app that plays the content, the so-called player. So if you take all those components and you have to integrate all those different aspects from different vendors, suddenly you're again in a kind of buy components and build it yourself solution. We have in our platform the CMS, like I said in the previous video, the CMS, the content management system, subscriber management system, already integrated in the platform. And this app builder completely integrates with that and supports different business models. So basically, without any extra effort, you make the apps like you want them to make, depending on the content you offer.
Yeah, and the beauty is once you've done the app and you want to do an edit or a change, you've got that easy to hand to do.
Absolutely true. If you want to make changes on the home screen to promote different content, if you would like to change your whole design because you have a new branding strategy, if you are adding podcasts, for example, the CMS will help you to configure that, make it available, and the next day people log in, it's available. So you don't need apps published all the time if you do these kind of changes.
Okay. So people that are already using your platform, is this a chargeable update or is it free? Or
no, it's in the old days we had let's say 2 or 3. Let's say predefined standard templates with a few customization options. But every time I ask people, say, yeah, but I would like to have my logo there, or can I do this Rails here? And so we said it's completely part of the solution without any extra charge.
Fantastic. And is it available now?
Yeah, it is. We will integrate some graphics and give you a little bit of an impression about it. But yeah, it's available now and it's being used in the market.
Amazing. Where can people find out more information, Cees?
Again, come to MwareTV.com website, and if you're interested to have a demo, share your credentials, and we will get in touch with you.
Thank you very much indeed. Do check out the website and also look out for the other video that gives a whole overview of the services that MwareTV provide. For everything else we're doing at IBC, that's at kitplus.com.